In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix formatting in Canva. If you're working on a proposal, a resume, or even a social media graphic, formatting problems in Canva can be incredibly frustrating. Text may look uneven, spacing can feel off, lists may break, and copied text can bring in unwanted styling that throws off your whole design. The good news is that you do not need to rebuild everything from scratch. Canva gives you simple tools to clean things up and make your layout look polished again. First, open Canva and go to the project you want to fix. From your homepage, find the design you've been working on and open it. Once you're inside the editor, click directly on the text box that's causing the issue. When it's selected, you'll see the text frame highlighted, which lets you know Canva is ready for text editing and formatting adjustments. One of the most common causes of messy formatting is pasted text that carries hidden styling from another source. If you're bringing in new content, avoid using a regular paste command. Instead, click inside the text box and paste as plain text. On Windows, use Ctrl-Shift-V. On Mac, use Command-Shift-V. This removes extra formatting from the original source, so the text comes in clean and is much easier to control inside Canva. Next, go to the toolbar at the top of the editor and look for the spacing option. This is where you can fix text that feels too cramped or too spread out. Click the spacing control to open the settings panel. This gives you access to the tools that adjust how your text sits inside the box, without relying on extra spaces or manual line breaks, which usually create more problems later. In that spacing panel, start with letter spacing. If the letters feel too tight and hard to read, move the slider slightly to the right. If the text looks too stretched or is taking up too much room, move it back to the left. Right below that, adjust line spacing to control the distance between each line of text. This is especially useful when paragraphs feel crowded or disconnected. You can also choose the text box anchor setting so the text expands in the direction that best fits your design. Once everything looks better, do a quick alignment check. Move the text box around slightly and watch for Canva's smart guides to appear. These help you snap the text into clean alignment with the center of the page or with nearby elements. Also, keep longer titles under control so they don't overpower the layout. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF print. If you need a file for printing, then download your finished design. That's it.